extra careful with this. It doesn't record for the packaging for the memory card. But that's, I'm gonna put a TikTok of the unboxing here.
Hey, so we're going, they're coming back, and that's when we go.
Yeah, so we're doing lunch and then we'll go.
Okay.
So jollof rice and
Oh, nice.
I'll be helping her to cook jollof rice.
Oh, nice.
So, hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and join the family. My name is Adobe Okonkwo. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Minnesota, but right now I'm in Dallas and basically just running away from winter. So it's warm out here, it's really nice. I'm also here with a friend, so we slept over, my husband and I. We had such a wonderful night yesterday. What did you think?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It was.
Okay, so today we're going out for breakfast and then once we're back we'll make lunch, and then I'm actually traveling to Atlanta tomorrow, so fingers crossed I'm able to renew my passport without any hiccup, because just thinking about it just gives me unnecessary anxiety. But fingers crossed everything's going to work out fine. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we get outside. I need to set up my, why is my ISO so high?
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches. They coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, this the worst shit. I know.
That's what we are doing. Every time we take shots, it's like.
That's just
My friend, it's actually my friend's sister.
these days I'm getting no sleep. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. That patience were now playing dress up. Big sales on big bills. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL. Lately I don't go to sleep unless the sun is up. Think I'm wasting all this time feeling kinda stuck. Not enough reps, only chest. Who the fuck does legs now? Way too busy feeling stressed out. I'm just tryna get ahead now. Going out, I'm just tryna get ahead now. Been a while since I stepped out. Too young, waited out, dropped out from the school, so I woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst.
Hey guys, so it is 4:38. We had a nap after the time you guys saw us, like about 2 hours nap, and it was a much needed nap. So right now we're just going to basically chill, and I'm making jollof rice for everyone with some air fried salmon.
Jollof.
My specialty jollof rice. So that's what we're going to be having for dinner, and then we'll start heading back home. It's been
consumer marketing, but it's not under cloud marketing.
Oh.
So I guess eventually that's something that I'll just try to get.
That's finally.
Especially when you start having kids.
I'm telling
oh my
you.
god. Or just gist.
What just gist?
I know in my soul. This fucking cold.
You go tell you say, don't eat rice. I'm like, yo.
These days I'm getting no sleep.
As in,
What was that eating?
Couple minutes and I'll be good.
Whatever go happen, make it
And
happen.
it go on that's a long time. Been a long time coming, hitting stop signs. Cross faded till I'm cross-eyed. Lost my sense of who I was, who I am. It's the wrong guy. Thoughts gon' multiply, boss with it. Be a boss with it, cost with it. What this motherfucker costing me constantly. Run your little mouth off, knock your smile off. You gon' bow down. Not the type to hit the backspace. I ain't got no problem
say hi.
around like them bitches up in backstage. Want the taste, I don't gotta chase, cause we backstage. Say
hi.
my brain, anything but the cachet.
cheese.
I need my car.
fruits are so
need my
good.
coffee. I need my caffeine. I need my caffeine. Go get my coffee. I need my coffee.
And you know what I like about the gel thing? Even though it has the line, it will just even out like the end when you finish.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Up, 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 up.
Thanks, so thanks. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys are great hosts. You know, made our
Thank you.
our Christmas and
Hey guys, so we just stopped at the filling station. My husband is trying to get gas for the car, but we're headed back home, and it was such a great hangout. Like Femi and Tracy, they are really cool. So it was nice. We played games. I showed you guys saw. Played games, we watched a movie, we had so much fun, no joke. But yeah, we're headed back home, and I'm going to quickly pack my stuff, and then I don't think I'll be able to pack anything tonight. I will just have my bath and go straight to bed because I'm exhausted. And then when I wake up tomorrow morning, I'll pack my stuff because I already have like the most important things, which are my documents. I just literally had this shock moment where I'm like, I hope I didn't forget my actual passport back home in Nigeria, not Nigeria, back home in Minnesota, because that would be so stupid. Let me set a reminder to check when I get home. I'll just check just to make sure, because I don't like hearing story, and once I confirm like the actual documents are fine, I only need like 2 clothes for the duration of my trip. Yeah, that's it. I'm getting tempted to buy like a lighter camera because this camera is actually heavy, and I think it's taking a negative toll on my tripod, because sometimes I'll feel like my tripod is getting heavy. But I don't want to have 2 cameras that do exactly the same thing, and the only difference is not like size. Yeah, so that's why I'm considering getting a that's my husband. That's why I'm considering getting a much smaller camera, which is that Sony ZV-1. Alright guys, I'll see you once we get back home. I just wanted to come on very quickly to wish you guys Happy New Year since I was still awake. My husband and I, we just prayed and entered the new year, so I wanted to conclude the video. Good morning, Happy New Year, welcome to 2023. I hope you guys had a wonderful crossover. It's been an amazing trip so far. Yesterday we got back from hanging out with our friend. It was really good. So today I'm going to be flying out to Atlanta to renew my Nigerian passport. So I am currently packing. I'll show you guys. I'm just packing for 2 nights, so I'm trying to decide, and I don't want to carry loads. So minus the clothes I'm going to wear today, maybe 1 tomorrow and 1 on the day that I'm supposed to return, which is on the 3rd. Just 2 clothes that I'm packing, and then underwears and my toiletries. I just want to make sure again that I have my passport in there. I know I checked yesterday and I saw it, but for some reason I've just been checking. Let's just, it's probably too open anyway, so this would be for the 2nd day. Okay, so I feel like I'm forgetting something. Yeah, once I have my bags, I would pack this thing, because my flight leaves at 5, so I need to be at the airport like 3 or 2:30. So the airport is actually not that far, so I think I can leave at 3. I'm trying to decide. Yeah, I have to take my laptop just in case, so I'll put my laptop in my bag. I'm gonna see if I can drop my hard drive, because if I drop my hard drive, that way I won't be able to edit, and I can take the 2nd day if I'm able to knock it out tomorrow to just explore Atlanta. Alright, so then this is the wig that I'm going to be wearing. I have to brush it. So this is the book that I want to read during this trip. I bought this book hoping that I was going to read it during this holiday, but you guys don't know. The holiday just came and went by so fast, so the possibility of doing that was not met. So I would have to take it with me to Atlanta. I have gumbo. I bought smoked chicken from the Afghan store the other day, so I'm just gonna set this outside. So we're going to be eating yam. I bought yam before leaving and I put it in the freezer. That's one way to preserve your yam instead of leaving it to spoil. But yeah, that's where we're currently at. I want to get a Christmas gift, New Year gift for myself. I'm just saying it that way to make it make sense to me. But yeah, I want to get a smaller vlogging camera because this camera is very heavy and very big. So I literally have to hang it on my neck whenever I'm traveling or going outdoors. So I want to get a smaller camera, specifically the Sony ZV-1 or the Sony ZV-1F that I'll be using for vlogging and for when I travel. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. Unless when we're traveling to, yeah, so I can easily put this, if I want to really take this with me, I can always just put it in my camera bag and put it in my box and then use the smaller one to vlog. What that does is that it saves off space on my body and also saves off space in my bag, so I can literally throw the camera into my handbag instead of figuring out where to put this one. So I'll be going to Best Buy at 11:30. They open at 11:30, so, and they have one ZV-1 in stock. I would also check the ZV-1F and see which quality is better and then grab one. I'm tilting towards the 1F because it's lower priced and I feel like it's much smaller. No, it's actually the same size. And I'm also thinking of changing my schedule a little bit because I find that uploading on Sundays would mean I'm editing on Saturday and I really just want to rest on Saturday. And plus my new class schedule, I'm going to be in class Saturday and Friday, so it just doesn't make any sense and doesn't work for Sunday. I won't be able to accomplish anything. So I'm thinking of changing it to Tuesdays and Fridays and just seeing how that works. So Tuesdays and Fridays and seeing how that works. I also want to start posting on my old channel, so I'll convert that to a hair channel and be posting natural hair tutorials and all of that stuff. I'm just really excited to be entering this year because this is the year I graduate from school, my last semester. I'm so excited. It's also the year that I'm going to start working. I'm not looking forward to working because once you start working, you'll be working forever and ever and ever. So that is going to be a lot of work. But yeah, I'm just grateful for all the people that I have in my corner, my husband, my mom, my sister, everybody, friends that I've made this year. So I'm just really excited about what friends I made last year. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but yeah, I'm really excited about that.
Or f2.2, but still it's better to where your shutter should be.
It has built-in webcam capabilities and the ability to customize. I don't even know if other people have this issue or if it's just the particular one I purchased,
We are on our way to Best Buy to get the small camera that I told you guys about, and then we'll be back, and at around 2 my husband is going to be around 2-3 my husband is going to be dropping me off at the airport. But yeah, let's go to Best Buy. So bright. Yeah, so you see this thing, you know why it gets wide. So my tripod, remember the one I was telling you about? I have a Total Tech with Best Buy, and I think this is the first time in a long time that they've done the right thing. So they were able to change it and give me another one for free. I was able to replace this, and this one also comes with a free memory card. This 64 gig, I just don't know whether they've sworn for me. I am always looking for this card. I have from the other two that I returned, and I can't find those cards anywhere. So I'm going to be extra careful with this. It doesn't record for that long anyways. I've probably unboxed this several times. You guys are probably tired of the packaging for the memory card, but that's what the memory card. So moving on, my husband got this stuff for taking videos on his phone. So instructor, yeah. So anyways, we got this. He's going to be opening it and it's not mine. Moving on to the actual camera. So I got the ZV digital camera, and like I said, the reason why I'm getting this is because I wanted something light that I can travel with or just go to restaurants or go hang out with without it being so big and conspicuous like this very big one I have. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So when you open it like so, and then we have the actual battery. So the battery of the charger have an external charger, so if you want that you would have to get that separate. Well, this is what the camera looks like. Very lightweight. I just unboxed it. I'm gonna put a TikTok of the unboxing here so you guys can see. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I would be heading to the airport in an hour 30 minutes, so hopefully by then this would have charged to an extent. So I'll see you guys. Bye.